What's up, guys? I'm working on a 2023 Kia Niro. I am removing the dash, but I figured I would do an instrument video of how to remove this screen because it took me a while to figure it out. There's no videos or anything on it. So what you have to do is of course I have extra stuff removed, but you just take some kind of pick tool, pop this out. It's held in by a couple clips and there's one plug in. Then there will be one screw and two screws right there. I have it picked up out a little bit already, or you can see them better. Then you go over to your steering wheel and you pop your upper cover off, which is just right here. You get a pick in there, pop it loose, and there is, let's see if I can get it there. There's a screw hole right there, and then right there on the other side. It's a little hard to get into, but you do that. And then after that, there's like a little hook on the back that this hooks into. You just really just picks right up off, and there's your entire screen with realistically only 3 plugins. And this will better show you 2 bolt holes, and it hooks on the back here, here, and here. Hope this was helpful. I'm sure this is similar for all Kias, but this is a Niro.